much. Not much. 30 seconds is like the tiniest little bit ever. How much are you wanting? Now then. Right, you're already slim fire all over the floor. You're gonna die!